Working closely with co-innovation partners such as Under Armour, SAP created a new HANA-based add-on application to SAP Apparel and Footwear Solutions, or AFS, called SAP Allocation and Rescheduling Optimization, or ARO. ARO accelerates and optimizes two mission-critical AEF/ESS business functions: allocation and rescheduling, using the power of in-memory computing. Let's take a look at the ARO dashboard. The ARO dashboard uses HANA to crunch a massive amount of data, and displays the status of all sales orders in real time. Dashboard KPIs are both actionable and historical. In this scenario, we need to manage orders scheduled to be shipped in the next 15 days. To do this, we'll select ATP date and date range for the next 15 days. We need to know if there are any unallocated orders. We can then take action and investigate by looking at the data, to see which customers they are, and if performing a run will resolve it. Clicking on the bar opens a schedule line level report. In this case, we can see that the customers have priority and will be allocated. If this wasn't the case, we could look at other options, such as calling the customers to get cancel date extensions. We can export the report to Excel and other formats. We also need to know if there are any orders nearing or past the ATP date or have an ATP date greater than cancel date. Again, we can see that there are, and can take action. Historically, we can view a snapshot of the shipping total and compare it to the target amount for the year. In this case, we can see that the shipping total is considerably under target with year-end approaching. To help improve this number, we can look at partially unallocated orders and those with ATP dates past cancel dates and then take action toward filling the orders. We can also see which sales organizations and customers are doing well. Improving delivery. Here is another way that can help get us closer to the target. The ARO dashboard also allows us to filter data by dimension, such as sales organization, division, or customer group. We can bookmark dashboard views for quick access each time we log on. Now let's take a look at rescheduling. ARO rescheduling in HANA runs significantly faster compared to standard AFS. Runs can now intelligently select only the materials needed. They can be initiated at more frequent intervals, and orders are locked for less time. The Run Activities screen displays scheduled runs and ad hoc runs. Each run has a completion status and displays run detail. We can also see run analytics such as orders with ATP date greater than cancel date, schedule lines that have ATP relevant rejection reason, or rejections that were removed, and dates that improved, or were pushed out. This all helps give a better understanding of the status of orders in real time and a way to proactively improve. Here, we can drill down to view the list of orders, with dates that were pushed out. Creating ad hoc runs requires a few quick steps. You first load an ARO variant. A new option displays to select only the materials based on changes since the last run, or a specific date. ARO provides a unique new feature, which intelligently selects only the materials that require rescheduling. We will then check the sort order, and click Save and Run. The run immediately begins processing. Let's move on to exploring acceleration improvements in allocation. Allocation in HANA runs significantly faster, as well. Runs that used to take hours, can now be completed in minutes, and at more frequent intervals. This acceleration is significant, because it enables customers to run allocation more than once a day. Similar to rescheduling, the Run Activities screen displays scheduled runs, and ad hoc runs, run data, analytics, and reports. Creating ad hoc runs requires a few quick steps. You first load an ARO variant, and review the selection set created in ECC. Selection sets in ARO now have dynamic cancel and requested delivery dates. Then, click Save and Run. Ad hoc runs begin processing immediately. SAP HANA accelerates and optimizes allocation and rescheduling. With ARO, we can now run allocation and rescheduling faster and more frequently, analyze data in real time, and improve customer service and inventory turnover.